organization, Tripura Student Federation, Khambar Chibai, to all my brother and sister of Chorei community, and this is my first time attending the Chorei festival, and I'm very much honored that you all have invited us, and we are blessed. We are with our team. I won't take much of your time because this festival is to celebrate and have interaction. Today my message will be very clear. We may be divided by political, religion, but I believe we are united by society. That's why from different part of the state, different tribes gather here. And also I would like to appeal the young Chorei Association, we the Tripura Student Federation, serving the student community and society. But these few years I am getting in touch with you all also, and I am very much glad that I am getting this platform to share each other. Now we have been doing different movement and demanding to the government. We are not government. Today we cannot give you anything. But the thing that we can give is rights. Your rights. Recently also we have visited Nowagang. Government of Tripura tried to snatch our land, the indigenous land. That is where we TSF always raise voice. Recently also we call a strike statewide in demand of Roman script. I want to invite my dear brothers and sisters, as we all are youth of the future generation, we very much should understand what should we contribute to the society. And I believe Young Chorei Association is doing a very good deed to the society. And I would appeal all the elders to support. We may be divided in terms of our dialect culture, but recently I believe all of us have seen the incident that has happened in Dehradun. One of our brother Angel Chakma has been killed, brutally murdered. No one say he is a Chorei, he is a Jamatia, Debarma or Chakma. They look our face. So we very much should understand. So I would like to appeal that let this program be a message for unity. And I believe even in the future to work together with one another. Last but not the least, when I was talking to our YCA president, our brother Liana, I was asking what is the population. Youth should very much understand. We should safeguard our identity, our community. There is one tribe in our state, a Bongcher community. They are about to extinct. So it's our duty and responsibility. We may be of different field, and even I got to know that there are people from different states, from Assam and even Mizoram. So that shows unity. And one more thing, we should help one another. The indigenous community of Tripura, we are poor, we are not rich. Even though we are the owner of the land, we become slaves to our own land. So we should stand for one another, raise voice. That would be my clear message. I would like to thank once again to YCA for the invitation and the honor. And also, I would like to invite in the future program of our Tripura Student Federation, TSF. Even recently, we have on 8th January, a Black Day. under the banner of NASHO, TSF called statewide strike in the year 2019. The innocent students were brutally fired by the government of Tripura. And I would like to thank, when I contact the president, he very much support the movement. So I would like to appeal to continue to support and will continue to work hand to hand in the future to come. Thank you very much once again. Kulumka, Hambai, long live Young Chorei Association and long live Chorei people. Thank you very much.